The B2B Prospect and B2B Sell modules allow you to create lists of business and professionals. If you need cell phone numbers for particular business members, use the B2B Sell module. Otherwise, the B2B Prospect module will have everything you need. Once in the module, select which contact info you want in your list: phone numbers, emails, both, or just postal information. All lists will come with the business name and address. Next, set the geographic parameters. Jump directly to the level of targeting you need. For example, if targeting by county, ignore the state section and input your state in the county section. The counties will populate below, then bring them over to the right-hand box. Now is a good time to save your list. To return to a saved list, click the Saved Counts link up here. Then click the Continue button to proceed.
For telemarketing campaigns, Datazapp now includes a direct phone number if available. Check the Direct Phone box to receive a direct phone number for each contact in your list.
One way to target business records by industry is inputting SIC or NAICS codes. When you input a code, the search feature displays more specific industry codes to choose from. You can also select from broad ranges of SIC codes. Whether you're targeting companies by industry code or not, you can narrow down your search by filters like employee count, sales revenue, and years in business. You can also target specific members of the companies in your list, such as owners. Go ahead and click Continue, and run the count. The results of your search are up here, and the price of the list is down here. You can toggle the size of your list in your order quantity box, or go back and alter your search criteria. Your account manager will need to authorize the purchase of your business list. Once you are ready, get in touch with your account manager or send us a message in the support window.